In this video, I'm going to show you how to add account on TradeZella. So the first thing you have to do, you want to click on Add Trade at the very top left, and then at the top right, it's going to say Add New Account. So just click on that, and then here you can basically select your broker, prop firm, or trading platform. So just find it over here. If it's not showing up, just find it. So for example, if I go ahead and type in trade, it's going to, of course, pop in a bunch of different ones. Just look for the one you're looking for. For me, I was looking for Match Trader over here, so I'm just going to click on it here, and then you can just click on continue, and you can go ahead and select one of the options available for how you want to connect it. So you could either do auto sync, which for Match Trader is not available. If it is, you can click on it, and then you will get step-by-step instructions how to actually add it. So if I go to interactive brokers, I'm going to click auto sync, continue. It's going to show me exactly how to do this. As you can see over here, it's basically a guide, and if you need further instructions, you could expand them over here, or you could do the integration guide here, and it's going to show you. Now, of course, for every broker or prop firm, it's going to be different, so just follow the steps and it's going to work. You could also upload files. So if you have a broker provided file with your trading history, you can upload it here, click on continue, select your time zone, your date format, and then you can just upload the file. Again, your basic tutorial is going to be over here, how to do it. And then over here on the right, you also have the add manually option, which you can just click on add manually, press on continue here, and then you can go ahead and select the type. If I do crypto here, and for example, I'm going to go ahead and select something random, click on create new execution, and then you can just basically type in, of course, your specific situation, your trade. I'm just going to really quickly type in something random here just for this tutorial, and I'm going to click on the delete button here, press save trade, and whenever you actually are done, as you can see, if I now go to add trade here, you'll be able to see that I've successfully connected my broker, my account, to TradeZella. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.